software giant has been added to the ratings at two firms. Janney has a neutral rating on the stock, setting a price target of $28. BMO has a slightly more optimistic take, setting its price target to $30 a share. Dom?
Well, number 9, Betty, is more ratings news here. This time it's TiVo. Goldman Sachs calling it a buy-rated stock, sending those shares of the TV recording service higher in the pre-market. The target price at Goldman, $15 a share. Josh.
And number 8, Schlumberger, the oil company, is taking a hit ahead of the bell here. That's after saying that it expects earnings per share to fall by 5 to 7 cents in the fourth quarter due to contractual delays overseas. Betty.
And at number 7 is SolarCity. It is day 2 for Elon Musk's new baby. Shares of the solar panel company jumped 47% in the first day of trading yesterday. This was after lowering its IPO price to $8 a share. The CEO said the company needed significant investments up front until it becomes profitable by the end of next year. Julie.
At number 6, we're looking at another winner from yesterday. That was Clearwire. The broadband service provider rose nearly 15% yesterday. That's after Sprint had announced that it would try to buy the remainder of the company for $2.90 a share. But there's a little bit of doubt creeping into the market this morning. Guggenheim, for example, is noting it's uncertain that Sprint will raise that bid. Josh?
And number 5, Amgen, shares of the world's largest biotech company, are green in the pre-market. The company announcing it will increase its dividend by 31% for the first quarter of 2013 and buy back an additional $2 billion in shares. Betty.
And at number 4 is the automaker Ford. We've got exclusive coverage of the giant automaker today. The company's CEO, Alan Mulally, told us that the company still has lots of room to grow profits. Our exclusive inside look at Ford continues all day right here on Bloomberg Television.
Well, number 3 here, rather. We've got 2 companies coming at number 3, Walmart and Kroger. Both companies have entered bids for the bankrupt Twinkie maker Hostess. That's according to a person familiar with the matter. The companies are competing with about 24 other bidders in liquidation sales that could generate as much as $1 billion. That's according to some analysts over here. So watch those shares, Jules.
I'm watching Facebook, too, at number 2. That's because the world's largest social network is seeing a share lockup expiration today. That's the opening day of trading, by the way, on the NASDAQ 100 as well. The first day it's included in that index. Shares of Mark Zuckerberg's company, they've risen nearly 62% off the lows in September.
And at number 1 is Best Buy. The electronics retailer is sharply lower after founder Richard Schultz and the company agreed to extend the deadline for a takeover offer until February. Yesterday, the stock surged after a newspaper report that a bid was imminent, that it was going to be over the weekend, which was the deadline for this bid.